Good morning, Pawpaw Sammy and Allybug here. I stayed in this shed all day yesterday working on my bees. I did not record. I have trouble working and recording. So I'll catch you up on what I've done. This right here, my little grandson's, great-grandson's basketball goal blew over during a high wind and busted the back, the plastic where the goal goes to. So I took that and built my bottom board with that. All right? I took all my old big frames, brood frames, and cut them down to fit the honey keep. Took this old top board and rebuilt it, got it back to going, ready to go down. Okay? Now people ask me, why are you doing this? Building this by hand, and right there in that corner, you have 2 brood boxes, a honey keep full of frames. The reason I do it, people, if I got any time at all, I make it. I don't use it. I keep that in reserve. Now, over here, I'm setting up my tools and all to cut and make my top board to go on the top of that box. Then I'm going out there and split that half. Now, people tell me all the time, when you start building, you're unorthodox. You don't have drawings, you don't have plans. I don't need it. Instead of spending 4 hours writing and guessing and thinking, I come out here and start doing. If I make a mistake, I correct it and keep going. In the long run, I come out way ahead on time because I don't spend time playing with it with a pencil and paper. I do it with the tools. Anyway, like and subscribe. Pawpaw Sammy.